Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. Today we are going to take lecture number 21 and we will continue with chapter number 3 and exercise number 3b. We will do question number 10 because we left that question and the question is saying that evaluate without using the calculator. So if you give a look to this and this, they are the same. One is positive and one is negative, so it will be cancelled. And the answer will be 0.000007. And then the question is asking that use the calculator to evaluate this 987654321 plus 0.000007 minus 987654321. Ladies and gentlemen, when we use the calculator, they give us the value as 0. This is part number 1 and this is part number 2. But in third part, they are saying that whether your answer in part 1 and part 2 are the same, no. The answers in part 1 and 2 are not the same because calculator truncates a 987654321 plus 0.000007 to 987654321. Yani this value will be equal to this one because they are truncating this 0.0007 and they are getting, when they subtract this 987654321 from the answer which is truncated in the first part, so it means that it will give you the 0 value. Okay, now we are turning our focus to estimation. We are turning our focus to estimation. What does it mean? It means that we are not sure that what will be the value in future. For example, we are not sure then in the next year, the next 5 years, the value of population of the world will be what? We cannot say exactly that this will be the value. So we are estimating that this will be, for example, X will be the value of the population of the world in next 5 or 10 years. So we are not sure that whether that correct value we will get or not. Another example, if I am constructing a home and the contractor is coming and asking that we will make this home, so I am saying estimatedly what will be the cost on the construction of this building. So not the exact value is given to me by the contractor, and they are saying that this much money will be spent approximately. Yeah, this is the estimation. Another example, for example, you are going to bring fish from the bazaar and your parent is giving you money. They are asking how much money I should give you. You are saying give me about 1000 rupees. I am not sure that exactly 1000 will be the cost of the fish or not, but we are estimating the value. So the next part is estimation, and estimation means that we are not exactly sure that what will be the value in future. Here I am directly starting exercise uh, 3C, and the first number question is saying that Priya evaluates 218 divided by 31 using a calculator, and she says that the answer is equal to 70.3. Without doing the actual calculation, use estimation to determine whether Priya answer is reasonable. Then use a calculator to evaluate the 218 divided by 31. Is your estimated value close to the actual value? Okay, let us first estimate. 218. I am taking estimation as 210, which is nearly equal to the 218, and I am taking this as 30. Now when we divide this 200, that is why I am taking it, because this is easily divisible. This 0 will be cancelled and 7.0 is the answer with me. Now, if I am using the calculator and I am finding this 31, so it is nearly equal to 7.2 or 7.3 something. So it means that our 7.03 is the answer in calculator. No, the Priya answer is not reasonable, because you can see 7 and 70 is having a great difference between the two value. Yes, our estimated value is close to uh, the real value, to the real value. So yes, our estimation is nearly equal to 8, ladies and gentlemen, and sometime this estimation plays a very vital role inside. As you can see, Priya answer is not correct. Okay, two number question. Question number two is saying that question number two is saying that estimate each of the following without using a calculator. Then use a calculator to evaluate each of the following. Are your estimated value close to the actual values? Number A part is saying 2013 and multiplied by 39, multiplied by 39. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, exactly equal is equal to this and nearly equal symbol is this. So instead we should put here nearly equal to this because we are estimating this value. These equal are straight line, but they are curvy line. So if we are estimating that this, an estimation is very necessary when you don't have the calculator somewhere and you want to estimate the nearest value. So we are saying that 2000 multiplied by 40, 2000 multiplied by 40 is nearly equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 and 8. So it means that it is equal to 80,000. Using a calculator, using a calculator, using a calculator, we will get another value, and that is the exact value 2013 multiplied by 39 is equal to 78.507, 78.507, and you can see that our estimation is nearly equal to 80,000. 78,000 when rounded up, then we are getting 80,000. So yes, our estimated value in this case is equal to this one. Okay, the second question is saying that 145.6, 145.6, and we are taking the cubic root. No, only under root. And then we are taking 65 divide by 65 point 4, 65.4. So if we are taking estimation, so this is nearly equal to 144. We have to write this, divide by, and we are taking this as cubic root of 64. We are taking nearly equal to 64. So this is equal to 8 and that is equal to 4, and then it is equal to 2. Our estimated value is 2 because we rounded down and also rounded it down. So that is 64. Why we did so? Because we can take easily. This is a perfect square and we know in advance that 144 is 12, ladies and gentlemen, not 8. That is 12 and the answer is 3. So it means that 12 divided by 4 is equal to, this is the estimated value. Now let's move our focus to the calculator. when we are doing it on the calculator, so the this 145.6 under the root divided by 65.4. So that is giving you 2.99. See, our estimation is very much close to the real value. So sometimes this plays a very vital role. Now we are turning our focus to question number 3. And one part is saying that express 3.612 and 29.87 express to two significant figures. So to two significant figures, it means that we need tell here, and we will encircle this, and encircle value is less than 5. So it will be equal to 3.6. Now in this case, this is and this one. Tell here we need, and we have to encircle this. So it means it is greater than 5, so it will become 30. That is the first part. The first part is saying this. The second part is saying using your answer in the first part. Using your answer in the first, use your answer in part 1 to estimate the value of 3.612 divided by this. So we have to write 3.612 divided by 29.87. So we are saying that this is 3.6 divide by, and we are taking it estimated value to 30, and that will be equal to 0.12. When we divide this 36 by 30, so we are getting 0.12. Now we are turning our focus to question number 4. And question number 4 is saying a car travels 274 kilometer. 274 kilometer. Uh, it travels an average of 9.1 kilometer on a liter of petrol. 9.1 average kilometer of petrol. Write down a calculation you could do mentally to estimate the number of liter used. If we are estimating this, this will be equal to 270. If we are estimating this, this is nearly equal to 9. So we can say that 270 divided by 9 is the answer, because that is estimated value and 30 will be the answer. So 270 divided by 9 liter is the answer. Now we are doing question number 5. And question number 5 is saying they given us a shape like this. I am making it estimatedly. They shaded this region. So by giving a glance, this is one part and this is two part. So we have to write that the ratio of ratio of shaded and unshaded regions is 1:2. That is also an estimation, not the exact value. But by looking this is one part and this is another part and this is another part. Now we are turning our focus to question number 6, which is intermediate level question. Question number 6 is saying a shopkeeper makes the following orders from a wholesaler. They given us a table. I am making this table. Please wait for a moment, so then we will not waste our time in the video. Okay, this is the table in which there are different items. Skirts, we need 32, quantity and cost per skirt is 18. Similarly, belts, white shirts, black blouses, gray leggings, all the quantities and cost per item is given. So the question is saying that show how you estimate the total amount of money that the shopkeeper has to pay, giving your answer correct to the nearest $100. So the shopkeeper has to pay, and I have again to stop the video for a moment. This is a long line, so I have to write it somewhere here. Okay, total amount shopkeeper has to pay is equal to, we have to multiply this with this one, 32 multiplied by 18 plus 18 multiplied by 8 plus 47 multiplied by 26 plus 63 multiplied by 23 plus 52 multiplied by 9. Now these are the exact values, but we are estimating that how much estimated value the shopkeeper has to pay. So I am writing nearly equal. This is 30 multiplied by 20. I reduces this 2 units, 30, increases that 2 unit, and that becomes 20. So here the calculation is then very easy. Now in this case, plus 20, and then here it is 10. That is nearly equal to 20, and that is nearly equal to 10. Yes, the next one is uh, 50 multiplied by 30, and that is equal to 60 multiplied by 20. 60 multiplied by 20. $60 multiplied by $20, and that is equal to 50 multiplied by 10. 50 multiplied by 10. Now if we multiply this 0 0, and that is 600 plus 200 plus 1500 plus 1200 plus 500, and when we calculate this on the calculator, we will get 4,000. We will get $4,000 to the nearest 100, to the nearest 100. So 4,000 we estimated the value, and that is the answer. Question number 7. Question number 7 is saying that a bag cost RM25. RM means Malaysian ringgit. The currency of Malaysia is ringgit. So they are writing it RM25. Yani 25 Malaysian ringgit. And then the conversion rate is RM1. RM1 means 1 Malaysian ringgit is equal to what? Is equal to, it is given that 0.409, 0.409 608 608 Singapore dollars. This is S dollar, Singaporean dollar. Singapore is very nearer to Malaysia. They are having a common border. Johor Bahru is the place I visited recently to Malaysia, so that is why I know. You can go through bus to Malaysia, Singapore, so that is why they are giving us S dollar. S dollar means Singaporean dollar. Okay, without using a calculator, estimate the price of a bag in Singaporean dollar. So when you are estimating the value of ringgit Malaysian 10, we are saying ringgit Malaysian 10 is equal to what? It is equal to 4 Singaporean dollar as dollar 4, because when we are multiplying this by 10 it will become 4. 0.4 multiplied by 10, so it means that this is nearly equal to, so how much? So ringgit Malaysian 20 will be equal to what? Double, 10 double, so it will also be double. Singaporean dollar 8. Now, if we are 25, 5 is ringgit Malaysian 25 is equal to 8, and because 5 is the half of the 10 and 10 are 4, so 4 will also be halved, so it will become 2. So it means Singaporean dollar 10 will be equal to, and that is the ultimate answer. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having question number 8, 9 and 10. 10 number is advanced one. We are going to stop it here, and tomorrow we will start again from question number 9. That is very important question, and there is a great concept inside that question. So don't miss tomorrow's lecture. That is the question. I saw many questions like this in the CIE papers. So don't miss, subscribe and press the bell icon so you will be informed. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.